Assalamualaikum and good morning to Dr. Faizal Yamimi and to all my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Anas bin Adnan. For today, I would like to talk about the best transportation to be used in the city, such as Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur is the busiest city, which is the capital city of Malaysia. The best transportation can be used is the public train. For example, public train are KTM, LRT, ERL, and monorail. Within the busiest city, Kuala Lumpur often suffer from traffic congestion, which can take about 1 to 2 hours to reach destinations. The use of train can shorten the time taken to reach the destination and also can reduce traffic congestions. Besides reducing traffic congestions, public trains also can reduce the usage of non-renewable energies such as petrol. Public train also can be considered as the most safest public transportation because they just move from one station to another station in the railway track. For the person that stay in Kuala Lumpur, the most of the time will suffer from living expenses. Living expenses can be reduced by using public trains to the office. There are a few monthly fare that can be subscribed, which is cheaper to be compared to daily fare. In the public train, we can use the time to read a newspaper, write, relax, or do anything. This also can make our life more productive. Lastly, the use of public train can make a healthy benefit to the community. This can be achieved by the people need to walk to the nearest station and also need to walk to the transit station to change to the other type of public trains such as LRT to monorail. This will force the pupil to walk more than the average person and can make a healthy lifestyle. Here I believe that the public trains are the best public transportation to be used in the city. That's all from me. Thank you.